Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Incredible news today with Ripple securing a major victory in this case against the SEC. And that's probably the reason why you're seeing XRP going parabolic right now. Incredible news. I'm so happy. I'm literally wearing my bull ring today. Incredible, man. I'm so happy. I think the whole XRP community is very happy today as well. So we'll get into everything. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button and turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a daily basis, documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We're just getting started, and things are going crazy right now, especially with XRP and Ripple. So come along this incredible journey. Also, if you can give this video a big thumbs up down there, it doesn't cost you anything. Just give it a good old thumbs up. Would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you do that. All right, let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. Please do not take what I say in these videos as financial advice. My golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose. We can lose money like that, especially in cryptos, all right? So please be careful. Do your own research. All right, formalities are out of the way. Literally woke up this morning. I was having my morning coffee and the tweet from James K. Phelan came through, and I couldn't believe what I was seeing right now. The judge had denied the SEC to strike the fair notice defense from this case. This is huge, guys, for all of crypto right now, and especially for XRP holders. I mean, come on, guys. This is absolutely huge. I'm so happy. If you weren't paying attention, then you should be now. Huge win for Ripple today. This is incredible news. Honestly, it sent the price of XRP skyrocketing straight up. You can see it now going absolutely crazy on the charts. Very, very big victory for Ripple today. Awesome news. Now I'm going to go into Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. And yes, XRP is available on Coinspot. Referral link below. Please feel free to use that. Do your own research. But XRP is up 9.33% today to $1.13. It's not, I mean, it's crazy from where it was, guys. I mean, it was sitting around the 70, 80 cents mark, 90 cents in US dollars. And now it's back up to $1.13 Australian. So it's really positive stuff. Honestly, it's incredible news. I'm so happy to see this flying right now. It's about time. Honestly, it's about time. Very bullish. Now, we'll go through the prices at the moment. $54,000 in Bitcoin Australian. Ethereum's at 3,600, guys. XRP's $1.13 now, just jumped up to 10%. Very bullish news. I think, we're going to see some pretty crazy stuff in the next few weeks, especially now that the SEC has lost its bid to strike the fair notice defense. That's for sure. They got denied straight up. Awesome stuff. Now, we've got Luna sitting at $127. Cardano, $1.11. I was going to say 111. Anyway, Solana's at $114. AVAX, $102. Polkadot is at $25. Dogecoin at 16 cents. You've got Matic at $1.99. Crow is at 54 cents. You've got Cosmos at 39. Litecoin, $149. You've got Near Protocol at $14. Tron is at 8 cents. Link, $18. You've got Algorand, another banking coin, which will benefit from this case because it is a banking coin, at 99 cents. You've got Stellar XLM at 26 cents right now. Hedera, very bullish on Hedera as well. You've got Kevin O'Leary coming out in an interview with CNBC saying that he is holding Hedera, which is nice. 29 cents. You've got Sandbox at $3.96. FTM, $1.74. VeChain is at 6 cents. Incredible buying opportunity. Axie Infinity, $65. A good entry point if you're looking to stake and earn like 70% APY on your money. That is incredible. Theta, $3.96. Waves at $36. Zcash is up to $224. IOTA, another banking coin, which will benefit from this case, guys, with XRP and Ripple, $1.01. What else we got here, guys? The Graph is at 45 cents. Gala at 30 cents right now. Harmony One, 17 cents. Neo's at $28. Quant, 160, down 1.28%. Good entry point, especially on the weekends when the markets are quiet. But, with XRP and Ripple, it's going to be crazy for the next couple of days for sure. We've got Rose at 30 cents. And again, my other favorite here at 7 cents. Another coin that will benefit from this case. Now, let's get straight into the news because I don't want to keep it anymore. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles quickly, and it's beautiful to see XRP, one of the big bubbles right now, absolutely pumping on the news that has just come out this morning. Incredible, incredible stuff, guys. I mean, look at this. A lot of FOMO happening right now with XRP. You know, all the people that hated XRP are now wanting to jump on the bandwagon. You know, all these people saying, oh, the case is lost, you know, it's blah, blah, blah. It's incredible to see the FOMO now in it. This is just the beginning, putting it out there. It really is, guys. So again, breaking, judge denies Ripple executives' motions to dismiss SEC lawsuit. Now, this is another thing as well in relation to Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. The judge did deny them from the motions to dismiss the SEC lawsuit against them, so they are still involved in this case. But again, the fair notice defense is what the most important thing in this case, because now it has opened the doors for a potential settlement with the SEC. And again, they are still yet to produce a significant amount of internal documents, which they have not done yet. So it's going to be incredible to see what happens there. And again, fair notice defense right here, guys. And I just wanted to show you here. So what is fair notice defense? Just to put it out there. Fair warning is the requirement that criminal statutes define crimes with enough precision for reasonable people to understand what activities are prohibited. So basically, the SEC was trying to deny Ripple that privilege and you know, strike that from this case. Now that the judge has come out and simply denied the SEC. So that's incredible as well. And again, Hogan and Hogan's website here, Jeremy Hogan. Now, the fair notice defense focuses on whether Ripple had reasonable fair notice from the SEC about whether its sales of XRP were illegal sales of securities. And to an extent, I have some sympathy for the SEC here, because it is attempting to enforce laws written by the US courts almost 100 years ago. But good viewers, never fear, because our representatives and senators in Congress are on top of this area, the technology, blah, blah, blah. So we've basically got here. So as you may already know, the SEC versus Ripple case, the SEC Ripple for allegedly selling unregistered securities. Basically, this has all now gone crazy because, again, the judge has denied the SEC to strike the fair notice defense. Now, that is incredible news. Really bullish. Now, if we go to the cryptometer.io, and my phone is just playing up here. Let me just refresh it right now. Here we go. XRP, guys. A lot of money is flowing in XRP right now. If we go on the hour, again, you've got Luna as well still in the hour. So again, very bullish. Let's go to Twitter now, because there's a lot happening here. Individual defendants' motions to dismiss are denied. So again, Chris Larson and Brad Garlinghouse are still in this case, but it doesn't matter because Ripple itself has secured a major win today. So XRP price significantly rising immediately following the defeat of the SEC's motion to strike out Ripple's fair notice defense as the implications sink in. This is what's happening right now. It's incredible. No community smarter than the XRP community. This is a fantastic development. If there was XRP bump today, will Dr. Metz conclude the SEC is reasonable and yet another addendum, what I can't even pronounce that, would the judge's actions also be interpreted as Ripple controlling price? Keep scrolling down here, guys. You've got Eleanor Tourette coming out here breaking today's order confirms that there is serious questions as to whether the SEC ever provided Ripple with fair notice, that is, distributions of XRP since 2013 would ever be prohibited under, let me just write this, under the securities laws. We will continue to fight. This is what's happening hard in defending this case so that the industry can get needed clarity it deserves and move forward and thrive. And while we would have preferred the case against Brad and Chris to end now, the court has decided to make the SEC prove its claims. We are confident that ultimately all the SEC's claims will be dismissed. Now, this is what can happen. Very, very bullish. And another point as well. This is awesome. Ed Perry, XRP Parker, thank you for this. What is the first thing you do when XRP hits $10,000? Have a plan in place and an exit strategy. This is very important. Make sure you know how to operate exchanges. That's a given with all crypto. Just saying, you need to know how to cash out cryptos in the event this does go absolutely crazy, which it can happen. So again, learn how to withdraw, but also how to transfer your assets onto cold storage. That is a given. You need to educate yourself on that. And again, if you weren't paying attention, then you should be now. Huge win for Ripple, guys. Still, Stuart Alderotti here, guys. Today's orders makes it clear there is a serious question whether the SEC ever provided Ripple with fair notice, and that its distributions of XRP since 2013 would ever be prohibited under securities laws. Very, very good news today. I'm so happy. Massive result for Ripple and against the SEC's motion to dismiss the fair notice defense is denied. This is a huge defeat for the SEC Gov. As defendants' motion to dismiss were also denied, all parties have been incentivized to settle the lawsuit. Prepare yourselves for a settlement. Incredible. You've got Kevin O'Leary coming out saying that he's holding a significant amount of cryptos. Go check that interview out here. Fear and Greed Index is at 22 right now. The judge rules on all matters of law, and the jury decides the issues of facts. The judge could theoretically find that as a matter of law, Ripple didn't receive fair notice, or she could say it's a factual issue for the jury to decide. I lean toward a jury will decide if no settlement. If no settlement. So again, they are now in a position to start acting on a settlement with Ripple. Oh, it's crazy to think what's happened here, guys. Now, I'm just going to play this. This is Gasparino. Thank you, Tim, for this tweet. Have a look at this video, guys. Have a listen to this.
Dismissed because the SEC didn't give it.
Between the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple. Joining us now with the latest is Charlie Gasparino.
Okay, so I believe I've got my hands around this. Some of this stuff gets a little technical, but as part of the case, so SEC sues Ripple saying it used XRP as a security and it should have registered it. Thus,
therefore, it's not a currency.
Yeah, and therefore, no exchange will take it. You can't, your value goes down dramatically. And but Ripple has said that the SEC did this out of the blue, and they filed a motion to have the case dismissed because the SEC didn't give it fair warning that that XRP was considered a security. Okay, bear with me here. The SEC filed a motion to get that motion dismissed. The judge said, no, that motion could stay. He still has to rule on the motion of fair notice, that whether or not Ripple was given fair notice. Now, if the SEC loses the motion, and then it obviously did today, loses the motion and get it thrown out, it has to lose the motion. If it loses the motion that it did not give fair notice, this case probably is over. And that's why you see it. There's a greater likelihood this case could get thrown out based on this ruling. And that's what you're seeing right now. I'm not saying it will. I'm just saying when you unpack all this, the motion to get this case dismissed filed by Ripple, is the way I understand it, because the SEC didn't give it fair notice while it was issuing that XRP, that it was an illegal issuance of that XRP, sale of that XRP, I should say. That can stay, and there is still a chance the judge can rule in Ripple's favor, saying that SEC screwed up by not giving it fair notice. This case is out. Ripple wins. I mean, that's the bet you're seeing now. That's why it's popping.
And by the way, Bitcoin is down 2.6% today. You've got Ethereum down, Terra's down, but XRP is moving on this news.
Now, here's the thing. We got a couple of things here. Ripple tells Fox Business they believe the motion will lead to all SEC claims ultimately being dismissed.
Well, that could be wishful thinking, but I get it.
I get it. I mean, it's kind of what I'm telling you. We have John Deaton, who's one of the private securities lawyers.
Everything could potentially be dismissed right now. Now, just put that into perspective, what's happened with the price of XRP. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm going to get into TradingView. You'll see the charts. And I'll put up this Mr. Miyagi post here, watching all the XRP haters now jumping in to make money. That's just a fact, guys. Seriously. How to analyze expert report, Lawyering 101. Read the plaintiff's expert report, fail. Read the defendant's expert report, fail. Realize you don't understand them. If you are the defendant, that is good because the plaintiff has the burden of proof, 1 of 3. Again, this is basically in the individual defendants. Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson still have to defend themselves. And while we would have preferred the cases against Chris and me to end now, the SEC must now prove its claims. We are confident that ultimately all of them will be dismissed. That is incredible. It's incredible to think what's happening today. Literally on a Friday in the United States, on a Saturday morning here in Australia. It's unbelievable. Here is the denied motion right here. Accordingly, the SEC's motion to strike Ripple's fair notice affirmative defense is denied. I'm going to zoom in right there so you can see it. How beautiful is that? Incredible. Judge Torres, thank you for listening to the XRP Army, and this is incredible news today. Today's orders makes it clear that the serious question whether the SEC provided Ripple with fair notice and its distribution of XRP since 2013 would ever be prohibited under the securities law. Again, incredible news. I don't even know what else to say. I'm just so happy right now. And if you go to XRP on the charts right now, I'm going to just have a look at USD Tether. And again, that's beautiful green candles right now. Incredible stuff here, guys. And the linear regression is going straight up. And again, this is on the daily chart. I mean, if you look at Bitcoin as paired, XRP would pair with Bitcoin. Let's just have a look. And again, straight up right now. Look at those beautiful green candles. Incredible stuff right now. Very, very happy. Let's go to Coinmarket to see what's going on in the markets. If I go to the global metrics here, 1.7 trillion. You've got $81 billion in volume. And again, 42% BTC, 17% Ethereum. How nice would it be, just putting it out there, to see XRP flip Ethereum and become the number 2? I think we'll see that very soon. XRP is pumping right now. Thorchain, XRP, Cadena, Polkadot, Secret, Terra's down. Let's have a look at my portfolio right now. I'm going to open this up. You've got Bitcoin down today, 39,000. And again, it's just hovering just above the $39,000 mark right now. But again, the weekend always, the volume is significantly low on the weekends. And I think I will be adding more XRP in my cryptos, XDC, IOTA, XLM, HBAR, Reef, all these coins, guys. I buy them. I tend to buy my cryptos Sunday evening, late Sunday evening, because when the market is really quiet. And also Monday morning is a great time because, the market is very quiet. So again, perfect time to buy. But look at this, guys. This is incredible. Look at that insane jump right there. It's sitting at 80 cents USD right now, up 9.53% just based on the news today. There is a lot of FOMO. I personally won't be buying right now because it's incredibly high. I mean, again, Sunday morning or late afternoon here in Australia, Monday morning, I'll be definitely adding more because that's when everyone's quiet. But just beautiful to see that incredible rise. It's about time. Finally, incredible news. Very, very bullish right now. Again, I'm holding Cardano, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Polygonmatic, Near Protocol, Tron. Stellar as well is up 4.4% to 18 cents right now. Another cheap project. Hedera, 20 cents. Sandbox, VeChain is at 4 cents right now. Theta, BTT, The Graph, Gala, Harmony One is up today. Neo, AMP, Theta Fuel, Oasis Rose, Holochain, Ecomi. XDC is a underrated project. Think about it. Trade Finance, it's going to be an absolute monster of a project. It is at 5 cents USD. Incredibly cheap. Anchor, Seacoin, Ravane, Nervous Network, Digibyte, Telcoin, Winlink, MetaHero, Superfarm, XYO, UFO Gaming, Constellation DAG is up 6.84%, which is nice. Reserve Rights, Reef, VThought, Proton XPR, Electronium, Veracity, Kin, Star Atlas, Gas. I get paid passively from holding Neo, Acropolis, Ubix Network, Olympus DAO, and Pipple. That is it today for my update. XRP is on its way to where it should be. Can it hit some all-time highs again? I really hope so. And that's where I think the next price target should be, back to its all-time high. And again, if you go to all-time, let me just bring this up right now. I mean, it did pump, guys, right up there to $3 USD, which is really nice. I think we'll need to establish that point again and then upwards to the moon from there, which I think can happen. It can happen, guys. It's really bullish news today. I'm so happy. Let me know in the comments below. Are you intending on buying more XRP? Are you holding XRP? Very nice news today. Have a good day and Saturday around the world. Tomorrow for you guys, it'll be Sunday. I'll put another video up. Stay safe, everyone. Very awesome news today. Peace. Bye.